Hello, my dearest friends. Welcome and thank you always for watching my videos. This video is about a stir-fried ice cream. Yes, you heard it right, my friends. Stir-fried ice cream. You know what I'm talking about. Those sweet, creamy little swirls of ice cream clustered together in a small cup covered in colorful toppings. This is the fastest way of making an ice cream, as it would take only less than 2 minutes to have your delicious ice cream ready. This frozen dessert originated in Thailand under the name Thai rolled ice cream or stir-fried ice cream, and later by 2015 the United States picked up on the trend, and the dessert is now known there as rolled ice cream or ice cream rolls.
Amazing. Rain.
This dessert is made with a milk base combined with various fresh ingredients and different toppings. Here I saw there was a boiling Nutella and they mix it with the base of the ice cream. The main ingredients include the liquid base, which is commonly milk or soy milk and comes in generic flavors such as vanilla, chocolate, coffee, and strawberry. I saw Oreo too. They use and mix it with the base flavor, and it could be left as it is, or extra ingredients can be added such as fruit, cookies, chocolate, and brownies. These ingredients plus extract powder or syrups are used to create the flavor. The process to make this ice cream is as fast as less than 2 minutes, as I said. The flavored milk-based liquid is poured onto the ice pan. A freezing cold stainless steel surface that is chilled by refrigeration unit, where it is chopped and manipulated until the liquid becomes a cream, as you see there. Other required ingredients are added and the mixture is chopped, chopped, and probe until a creamy texture has formed. The mixture is spread in a thin layer across the pan.
Whatever you need, you can add.
Can make it.
Yeah, I guess.
But the basic is the hot Nutella in this machine.
Then, starting on one side, the ice cream or gelato is rolled into its cylinder shape with the use of the spatula. The rolls now are placed in an ice cream cup and decorated with any desired toppings. Voila! Done! That's the fastest way of making an ice cream. Please continue watching if you want to see more flavors and techniques. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a message, leave a comments if you have suggestions, if you have any kind of positive comments. I would really appreciate to read you and get back to you. And please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you think and feel that this video is worth sharing, please share it. Share the joy and the smiles. Thank you so much. More power to you, my friends. God bless.
it's not
it's more icy.
dry. It's not dry yet. He's making fast because he wants.
No, but I feel when you call it's more creamy and it's more